Wala. Ay, ito na. Bingo daw siya. Oh. Bingo daw kami.
Ulat pa ako, bingo.
Hey, shut up.
Venus.
Hey. Okay. 92233. 92233.
92233.
Yep. Solo. No.
Tulis ng grupo na Arios. Arios. You're not. We are close to this game. Huwag grupo na. Pinalaki mo na ito, guys.
Ano ba yun?
Ha? Ano yan eh?
Wala ko na.
Floor special? Ay, floor is better than nothing. Eh, hindi pa yun akong bibinggo bukas. Eh, below eh.
Sarap.
Below 500. Oy. $3 tayo, bigyan mo kay Maria. Binili yan eh, binili. Tanginan yun.
Thank you, Maxi. He is doing right in the program. 6-card express, straight line corners in, corners out, stamping anywhere in this game. In combination leads 4. All 6 squares play with wild number.
Nagulat pa ako.
And your first number round, also you wild number 2, 2 as well. Please then have all your numbers in game 2. 2 as well.
Mayroon pa naman eh. Hindi tayo natama sa lahat sa phone. Isa lang, isa lang.
Who's wild eh, sabi niya.
You don't say nothing.
Money.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 is well. What is that? Why don't... can you give me that? 3? Better than nothing, right?
Huh?
Better than nothing. I'm helping you. What? Thank you. Yeah. Wala eh. Give me 5 more. Ay, 4 pala, 4. Better than nothing.
One more.
I beat
Number 6-card express, 2
Hi,
as well.
YouTube.
Those of you already had numbers on screen.
Say hi, say hi. Come on, say hi.
And
I
34.
don't see you.
And 34.
Yeah.
G34. G54. I think INS class winner for
Biglang napabili, may pang